Hey guys, so we are now here for the chapter 3 of Artistine, and we are going to invite Mr. Zaman Khan here. He'll be here soon. So basically, a very happy World Music Day and World Yoga Day. So this is our just an effort from Impressions team to make awareness about music and to interact with such great musicians, and we'll just come to know how they have performed and how their experience is going to be. So we have requested Mr. Zaman Khan, so he'll be here soon. Hey guys, hello. Hello guys. So as we all know that creating awareness about art and culture, all our Indian culture, including the folk, classical, modern, everything, is very important because Impressions is also doing this job. And as we hear all around that about mental health and being happy, being so jolly and all, so art is such a thing which helps us to acquire that. And this is just a small effort from our side to indulge everybody into some or the other art form and be stressful and just be happy in this quarantine. So everything is going to go well, and we all are in this together. Sir will join us in a while, so if you guys have any song recommendations, so please let us know so that we can make him sing those songs. We can request him. He'll be here soon. Sir will be here soon. We have requested him. He is going to be here. And let me tell you something about him. He is the lead guitarist and a music composer from the band Astitva. And it is a rock band, as well as they recreate old songs along with singing and composing new other songs. So we are going to have a great time with Sir. Yeah, he'll be here. Sir is going to be with us right away.
Hi everyone.
Hello,
How are you guys
sir.
doing?
We are good, sir. How are you? I'm Gauri from COEP.
I am all good. I'm all good. How are you guys? First of all,
Yes, sir.
I'm saying first of all, a very happy World Music.
Yes, sir. A very happy World Music Day to you too. And
Yeah.
that's what I was going to ask. Like, how was your World Music Day today?
I think see, honestly, I don't find anything special about World Music Day because my whole day, everyday routine, it starts from music, it ends on music. So it's the same thing. It's the same
Yes.
feeling for me. But yeah, I mean, this very day, you just feel a lot more special being an artist, being a musician. That there's a day which is specially dedicated to all the musicians and all the creative people out there.
We'll just add him again. Just a minute.
Yeah, I guess it
Hello,
was
sir.
just some
Sorry
connection.
for the inconvenience, actually.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. So, sir, how is your quarantine going? Like, you feel like staying indoors, or you're very excited to go outdoors or do something?
I think I'm just. I think it's now too much of quarantine and too much of lockdown which has taken place. Can you hear me out? Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, I was just saying that I think it's too much of lockdown, it's too much of quarantine which is happening. I'm just now just waiting for things to get back normally. And I mean, I know it's gonna be tough. The whole journey is gonna
Yeah.
be a lot more different now. I mean, we can just see the new normal is being with the mask and everything. But
Yeah.
yeah, I think fingers are crossed. We're just hoping, and I just can't wait to go out there and play a concerts in front of thousand. I just can't wait to get back to the same thing.
Okay, so as we see everywhere, it is trending that somebody is doing something special this quarantine. They are learning, people
Mhm.
are learning new hobbies or something. Are
Uh-huh.
you doing some kind of those stuff?
See, I am. I'm just helping out my mother. I'm just trying out something to. I'm just trying my hands out on cooking. So I tried making
Okay.
the special Mughal dish. All of us are known of it. This it's biryani. So I've been making a lot of Mughal
Oh,
biryani and chicken korma and everything. So that's what I've been doing because I'm a big time
this is
foodie.
good.
So it's like
Yeah.
that's what I've been trying to cope up with this quarantine.
Oh, that is really, really good. So, coming to your band, you are the lead guitarist of Astitva, the band. So, this name is very unique and very different. So, what is the
Hmm.
backstory kind of for the band?
I think the backstory of the band is that no, all of us, while we guys were in college, we thought that we started off as a college band. I mean, we guys belong to the whole Delhi University, a typical Delhi University rock band. And then while we guys were just practicing jamming, we just thought, okay, why are we doing music? So then we came out with this whole thing. I mean, that we guys are doing music to make our own existence in this whole world and make our own identity. So then,
Yeah.
I mean, with the whole idea of creating your own identity, the term Astitva came into our mind. So that was
Yeah.
that very moment. Just ki वजह से we thought, okay, I think we should just name it Astitva.
Okay, and so because it is really very different for us, and it is really what all the songs you've done, it is
Hmm.
really very all those songs are really beautiful. So, sir,
Thank you.
can you please sing any of those songs, your favorite ones?
Okay, I'll just sing one of my favorite songs. The song's called Na Jao. It's a very beautiful love ballad which I wrote. So
Okay.
this song's called Na Jao, and I just hope you guys, all of the people who are watching us, they love this one. So this is Na Jao for you
Yes.
guys. ना जाओ मुझको रुला के, आ जाओ सब कुछ भुला के, ना जाओ मुझको सता के, आ जाओ सब कुछ भुला के, फिर से मुझको हंसाने, आज गाने से लगाने, कि तेरी याद, तेरी बात याद आती है, ये तन्हा रात, ये भीगी आँखें तुझे बुलाती है, ना जाओ मुझको रुला के, आ जाओ सब कुछ भुला के.
So that was really very, very beautiful song.
Thank you so much.
And
Thank
the
you.
comment
Thank you.
section is just flooding with messages like everybody is a big fan of you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lots and lots of love to everyone out there.
Yes, sir, to you too. So, you've been collaborating with many artists. So, is there any special person or any one person whom you would like to collaborate in future? Like,
I mean, I would love to collaborate with this living legend, Mr. A.R. Rahman. So because
oh,
I just love his sense of arrangement, his sense of choice of artist. Because me being a composer, singer, songwriter, so I really look up to him. I mean, his whole choice of coming up with different experimental songs which you don't get to listen to what the mainstream composers are composing. So yeah, I mean that's that one thing which I would just love
that
to
would be a
collaborate with.
really great combo, sir. It is really going to be great if that happens.
Inshallah, I mean let's just hope like we do it very very soon. I'm just waiting because usually at this particular time I'm either traveling, touring with my whole band, like playing concerts, or we guys are just in Mumbai recording for
Yes.
all the upcoming things.
Yeah, that is really, really great. So, sir, what was the main inspiration for you to get into music or composing line?
See, my main inspiration was like because my whole family is into music. Like my dad, he is a president awardee himself, and my grandfather, he was the first Padma Bhushan of India. But I was like, I was a lot. They were the pioneer of Hindustani classical music, but I was a lot towards the Western music. So I was like,
Oh,
let me just try creating a whole fusion of whatever inspiration what I have got and whatever things which no my dad they have just जो भी तालीम मुझे मिली है घर से. So that was the whole thing.
so, sir, your inspiration was like you have to combine that modern and the
Exactly.
traditional, the blend of those music.
Exactly. I
So,
mean,
can
that's
you
the best thing
please?
because whenever
Yeah.
we pursue music, I think the base has to be the Indian classical stuff because Hindustani classical music, it has everything. It has everything, everything. So if we try to explore that, and then when you try to experiment keeping the base of Indian classical music, then I think the whole journey of your original music, it's become very smooth.
Yes, that is very, very, very true. So, in that case, how would you describe the music that Astitva creates? Like, in what sense?
See, I'll tell you one thing. We guys, I mean, because I compose the music, I say that, the best thing which we guys focus upon is keeping
Yeah.
everything very simple. Like, very, very, very simple. The lyrics have to be प्योरली इन हिंदी और उसमें मतलब हम लोग ये चीज करते हैं कोशिश के जितना ज्यादा वी ट्राई टू हिट द मासेस so
Yeah.
I mean we keep the language very simple, we keep the songs very simple so that once after the concert if anyone's listening to my song for the first time while I just
Yeah.
go off, but the moment I go off from the stage they can just still hum the whole song while they're walking off from the concert. So that's the whole
Yes.
thing is.
That is really very touching for an audience, personally, I would say.
Wow.
And so, sir, what is that? Which song is that which you've composed and you're very close to? Like
I
any
think
memory?
I composed this song called Gumshuda. So I remember ये वो वाला गाना है. I was just traveling and I was tired of traveling. And I'm talking about 2018. Yeah. So I was just
Okay.
I remember in the span of 45 days we guys covered over 5 countries and we played somewhere around 20-25 back-to-back concerts with flying here and there, like from Singapore to Malaysia, and then coming back to Bangalore, then Jaipur, then again
Okay.
going to Hong Kong. So the whole, पूरा जो cycle था, it just got screwed up. So I
Yeah.
was like, at one point of time, I was like, okay, I was just enjoying whatever I was doing, and on the other hand, I was just, I think I should just take a break or something. So then I wrote this song called Gumshuda. So that
Okay.
has been very close to my heart. The song talks about just going on with the flow, living life completely on your term, and just being isolated from the whole world for your own good, and to just find
Yeah.
yourself. So that's called Gumshuda. So this is that song which is really close to my heart.
Sir, can you please sing a bit of that song?
Okay, I'll just sing a couple of lines of Gumshuda. And ये गाना
Okay.
जब मैं लिख रहा था, तो I just made sure that I should not write the normal stuff of writing the song. So if you जैसे जैसे आप गाना
Okay.
सुनेंगे, you'll get to know the whole idea. So this is Gumshuda for you guys. हवा का झोंका मैं नहीं हूँ, उड़ता परिंदा भी मैं नहीं हूँ, तूफानी बादल भी मैं नहीं, लहरों की तरह बहना चाहूँ कहीं. सारी बातें मैं सही हूँ जिसके नहीं इरादे, मैं वही हूँ किस्मत की सिहाई मेरी सही, पर लिखने वाला ना लिखने वाला हूँ मैं नहीं, गुमशुदा होना चाहूँ, लापता होना चाहूँ, गुमशुदा होना चाहूँ, लापता होना चाहूँ.
So that is
So this
very
was.
beautifully written.
Thank you so much. This was Gumshuda. अगर आप जैसे जैसे गाना सुनेंगे, you'll find the whole thing because हवा का झोंका मैं नहीं हूँ, उड़ता परिंदा
Yeah.
भी मैं नहीं हूँ, तूफानी बादल भी मैं नहीं. So it's like that. I had a very different mindset while I was writing this song.
Yeah, like getting free from all those restrictions and all.
Exactly. Just about trying to find your own self, trying to find your own happiness and pursue your passion in everything.
Yeah. So in that case, is there any like genre of music that you haven't tried yet or you haven't worked on? Like you want to experiment it in future, but you haven't right now.
I want to just I really like this genre called funk. So I'm just working over it. I just wanna I'll plan if I could just compose something over funk, because that's that one genre which is very fascinating. I love the whole energy of that very genre, and this genre has been a lot more explored by Bruno Mars. So that's that one thing which I know. Funk is that one genre I would just love to compose something on.
Oh, that is great. So, working in a band, like playing for a band and being a part of such a great band, what do you think is the most important, what we say is the quality a person requires to be in that band or work?
I think you have to be a lot more patient. Uh,
Hmm.
you have to be a lot more, I mean, you have to be a lot more calm. You know, I know when there are so many people who make their band or who come up with the whole idea that, you know, we should just get together and form a band. Yes, I know the whole idea sounds very energetic, rock band, performing, you know, playing in front of 1,000. But I think the whole idea of making it big is once when you just a lot more calm and you once you
Yeah,
when you decide, this is what I have to do. So your goals have to be really clear, your focus has to be really clear, you have to be really patient, and then the main, I mean, the best thing you guys can do, that you should just respect your rest of the band members, because once you
that is
start,
real.
you know exactly, because you have to be like a family. A band is like a family. Like I don't have best friends. My whole family, my whole best friends, they are the whole bunch of my bandmates. They are like my everything to me. So you have to make sure that your bands, they are like your family, your band
Yeah,
members.
yes, yes. That is really very important. That is what keeps you all together, right?
Exactly. Zaman, you are the one of okay. There's this very, I mean, he's the craziest photographer, Bhanu Vadva Photography. He just joined in. Bhanu, thank you so much for all the love. I mean, whatever tour, whatever, he is that one person who just tours a lot with us, and he has all the backstage footage and everything.
Oh, they like really they support us a lot.
Exactly. So Bhanu, I mean, you guys should definitely organize a workshop related to photography, and you should definitely have Bhanu Vadva. He is just too good.
Yeah. Sure, sir. So, apart from these new songs, any old song you would like to perform for us, which you like
I mean,
or
I am
recreate?
a big fan of Rafi Sahab and Kishore Da, or any song which you guys want me to sing over any old classics. I would love to do that
So,
one on
the
request for you
comment
guys.
section is actually very full of comments, and they have asked for many songs. But
Okay.
can you just sing Gulabi Aankhein for everybody? Everybody love it.
Okay, I'll just sing Gulabi Aankhein for you guys. This is like, I'll just love this one. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों समझना मुश्किल हो गया गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी ये दिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया दिल में मेरे ख्वाब तेरे तस्वीर जैसे हो दीवारों पे तुझ पे फिदा मैं क्यों हुआ आता है गुस्सा मुझे प्यार पे मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा सुख सदा हो दिलरुबा मैं लुट गया मान के दिल का कहा मैं कहीं का ना रहा सुख सदा हो दिलरुबा पूरा ये जादू तेरी आंखों का मैं तेरा बिस्मिल हो गया संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों संभलना मुश्किल हो गया Thank you so much.
Great, great. It is just
Thank you so
going
much.
to be an evergreen song for everyone.
Exactly. I mean, I personally love this song, and there are so many people. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Manan Zaman Army. Really means a lot, man. Seriously, lots and lots of
Yeah.
love.
So, sir, while performing in a band, what
Uh-huh.
is the most difficult thing or the aspect of being a live performer? What do you think is?
I think जब आप एक live performer होते हैं, then you don't belong. So you don't have a space of your own personal life. Your everything, your sleep, your your existence, your music, your traveling, your everything belongs to the people who love you. So that's
Yeah.
that one thing, when you're a live performer, you have to think a lot about the people who have come all the way to listen to you. I still remember, I mean, 4 years down the lane, it was a concert. I still remember the date. It was around 15th of May. And
Okay.
the right before the moment I was trying to step on the stage, उसी वक्त मेरे को पता चलता है that my grandfather he expired. But still I was
Okay.
like, no, the whole family was there. I was like, no, there are so many people who are out there who bought the passes to watch me live. But still I was
Yeah.
like, uh, let me just do this. I mean, let me just, still I had so much of sorrow inside me, but then I was like, I stepped on the stage with the same energy, with the same smile, and then I was like, this is the part of the life.
Yeah. It's like
That the
you
show
give
must
all
go on.
what
So
you
that's that
have
one thing.
into it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you know, Impressions is the cultural fest of College of Engineering Pune, and
Yeah.
it is a platform where we encourage people, where encourage art and all.
Hmm.
So were you in any fest or something in your college or in the music team of your
Hmm.
college?
I was very much active into the whole. I still remember I was that one, one student which was uh, a lot more difficult to handle, because I wanted to make sure that if it's my college festival, it has to be grand. So I used to make sure that I get the best of the artists. I remember हमारे अपने time पे when we guys were, I was in Ramjas, so we organized a fest. I was in third year, and
Yeah.
then I got this band Strings, and
Okay.
I mean, I used to look up to them, and they're a very good band. So we organized a fest we called Strings, and to get an artist and international act right into the Delhi University, that was a task. And I remember, we used to hold on to the principal office, and we were like, sir, please funds though, because we have to do this fest, So I remember, I mean, all those things, the whole, and that's the main reason, whenever we guys perform as an artist to go, whenever we guys perform for different
Yeah.
college festivals, I mean, when we headline festivals, so there are times when I literally look the same amount of energy in the students who are running around, who are coordinating things. So that's that one thing which I just love, which I just respect a lot about them.
Yeah.
Okay, God, you say
Because
you
there's
were
a
from
lot
Ramjas.
effort
Yes,
in
I was
that.
from Ramjas. Yeah.
So, sir, what is like you had a big concert, like your big band right now. So, at this point of time, who is the best which best concert have you seen up to now? Like,
I think there are a lot of concerts. I remember we performed in I guess LPU. That was a crazy. I mean, there was like 40,000 people, and they were all going mad, crazy. They were listening, and they were literally screaming out our songs. So that was that one concert which would be memorable. I remember we performed a concert in Nepal, Kathmandu. Oh God, that
yeah,
was madness to the core. I mean, you won't believe. I mean, I saw the energy. It was like the whole venue was shaking with the, like,
oh God,
and especially Delhi is always fun to perform. And then if we
yeah,
go international, I love the last concert we performed in Hong Kong. I mean, the whole crowd, they bought the passes, and the whole stadium, it was just packed. The whole auditorium, it was totally packed. So yeah, I mean, with time, you keep on exploring new audience, you keep on exploring new crowd, and I mean, yes, but still there is a zeal of kash ye best hota. So yeah, I mean, I would say that the best is still yet to come. But so far, I've got an amazing experience.
yeah, and that energy is what we get energy from. Like, it is the source of that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. And right now in this situation like of COVID-19 and all, so
Hmm.
what message would you want to give to the upcoming artists outside? Like any
I think
inspiration?
I'll just say this one thing, hey guys, this is the right time to start working upon your own music, because this is what something जो कि मैंने बहुत realize किया कि I know that's a very negative thing जो भी हुआ है. I mean, the COVID occurring
Mm.
all of a sudden and
Yes.
everything stopped. But what I realized, probably I have a different mindset because I'm a lot on a different zone whenever I write something. So I was just sitting and I was just, मैं सोच रहा था कि इससे पहले, if you look back, you felt that एक race है. There was a whole, everyone was running, everyone wanted to just run that, grab the whole thing, and it बहुत, everything was going very fast. I mean, it was
Mm.
going very fast, and ऐसा लगा कि ना कुदरत ने the God, the Almighty up there, he just paused everything.
Yeah.
So I think this is the right time where you guys know all of the whole musicians out there, they've been thinking यार कब हम लोग break लें और कब we sit on the songs which we guys wanna
Yeah.
write or maybe record the whole album. So guys, I think this is the best time to just start recording your own music because ये वाला वक्त I don't think so अब दोबारा कभी आए भी ना और नहीं
Yeah.
कभी आएगा. So this is just utilize this whole era, utilize this whole time zone where you guys can just sit and focus upon your own original music. So अगर आप लोग अभी का वक्त में आप आराम से अपना ओरिजिनल म्यूजिक कंपोज करेंगे, then I guess then this will be a lot more beneficial once you start performing, once you start hitting the stage. So people would be already thorough with your songs. So I
Yeah.
think that's what I'm gonna ask everyone to do.
Yes, sir. So, to sum it all up and to just end this in a very melodious note, can you please sing the song Fir Le Aaya Dil, because everybody is just asking for that song.
Okay, I'll just sing a couple of lines of this very song.
Yes, sure.
फिर ले आया दिल मजबूर क्या कीजिए आसमां रहना दूर क्या कीजिए दिल के रहा उसे मुकम्मल कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है तेरे नाम करते हैं आज कबूल क्या कीजिए हो गई थी जो वो हमसे भूल क्या कीजिए दिल के रहा उसे मयासर कर भी आओ वो जो अधूरी सी बात बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है वो जो अधूरी सी याद बाकी है तेरे नाम. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. And really, thank you. We are very glad to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Everybody had a very great time talking
Thank
to
you.
you, listening
Thank
to your
you.
songs, and you are going to be in our hearts forever and ever and ever.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lots and lots of love to you. And thank you so much for hosting the whole session. You were just too good. Lots and lots of
Thank
love
you
to
so
you. And just stay blessed and just stay positive, stay happy, and keep listening to good music.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Thank you so
sir.
much. I'm just gonna take my leave. Take care, guys. Lots and lots of
Yes.
love to the people who join in. Bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Bye.